Hey there, my name's Raymond. Tree Life showed up today, and as you can see, thinned out the herd, made it safe. I exceeded my expectations, let's put it that way. These guys are great. I recommend them to anyone.
And Roger's,
Thank you.
And Roger's a great guy.
Rogers, yeah, he's just a mean bastard.
Perfect.
I know you can cut that.
We had a bunch of dead limbs up here, and they're going to fall in his pool, and these were over his house, so just wanted to make it safe for him and his wife, and they give us a call, came to take care of it. Tree Life, 584 Tree.